Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be playing around with the offset feature. So I'm going to make a birthday card. So let's get our main shape of our card ready. So I've going to zoom in just a little bit there. So I'm going to unlock, and this will be 10.25 inches wide and 7 inches high. I'm going to change the color to a light gray. Let's grab a score line from Shapes and make that 7 inches tall. Drag it over so it's on top of the rectangle. We're going to align center and attach. So there, main part of the card is done. Let's pull up another square. We're going to change this into another rectangle. This rectangle will be 4.87 and 6.75. So I'm going to make like a shaker card using the offset feature as well. So I'm going to duplicate this shape. So I've got the acetate layer, so I'm going to move that off to the side. Let's change the color of this square to a light blue. So text-wise, I'm going to use a text that's called Boink Corn. So let's type in happy birthday. I want it on two different levels. I am going to click Align Center. So as you can see, that is nice and aligned. Sorry, just moving my computer screen there. I'm going to click Unlock because I want to reshape this. Because I'm going to have shaker bits, I got to make sure I leave enough room on either side on the side of the B and the Y, that I have enough room for my double-sided foam tape. So I got to make it just a little narrow and make it a little longer. Take up most of the front of the card. I think that works good. Okay, I'm now going to do the offset. And I'm going to do not a big offset, so 0.05 of an inch. I've already got the numbers put in. So there we go. There's our lovely offset. Let's change the color of that. I'm just going to do a light purple. And it's just so it's easier to see it. So I'm pulling up another square. I'm going to unlock it. And I just want a little bit of the edges of the offset to peek through. And you'll see why in a second. I think that's good there. I'm going to move that over to my blue layer. I'm going to align center and slice. Now I've got a little window open for my card. I'm going to take the happy birthday offset. No, align that center, and I'm going to weld that together. So now it's one happy layer. Let's move this to the front. So doesn't that look cute? Even just like that. I could just have a different color piece of paper in behind, but I love doing shaker cards. So I want to add something else to this. Let's add a balloon. So let's go into Images. We'll do balloon. I want a cut only file and one layer. Let's scroll down. What do we got? Oh, there's some more simple balloons there. I like that balloon. So let's add him right there. I'll make him a little smaller, not by much. So let's give him an offset as well. I'm going to move the balloon out of the way. I'm going to highlight just the purple cardstock as well as the balloon offset, and I'm welding them together. For a second there, I thought I lost my happy birthday text. So I'm going to send the cardstock to the back. I'm going to line up the happy birthday so it's centered. Going to line up the balloon myself. That looks pretty good there. It's got to go up a little bit. I'm gonna have to zoom in for this. Okay, that's better. I'm going to highlight on the layers panel the cardstock and hide it. Highlight the happy birthday and the balloon and weld that together. Bring back my cardstock and there we go. I've got a fun shaker card done up and it didn't take me that long. So I'm going to get this cut out and we'll put it together. Okay, I've got everything cut out. I used a nice blue cardstock for the happy birthday embellishment and then just the silver for the actual words so you can see what's going on. At my local dollar store I found these cute little mini embellishments. So I think the blue is going to look the nicest, and then I think I'm going to put just round beads in there just because I don't know, one, I don't want to use all of these because they're such tiny little bottles, but it's so hard to find embellishments in the stores and you never know when you order them online exactly what they're going to look like if it's what you're looking for. So I'll use some of those and then the rest of this. I've got my bounce sheet. If you've never seen it, you just rub your embellishments in this and it gets rid of the static electricity. So highly recommend you do it, but let's put this together. all put together. This turned out so cute. Got my shakers in there. I should have put some more in. I thought I had enough, but I've miscalculated, but there's still lots in there. I love how the offset is in this beautiful blue cardstock. Got the little balloon there. For now, I've left the inside blank because I can just take another piece of cardstock, same size as this, and use my Cricut to write whatever sentiment I want on there. I think I know who I'm going to be giving this birthday card to. So, but yeah, that's how one way to make a shaker card. And I don't know if you noticed, but my little trick, I used the blue stars to make like a little dam and then put the rolly silver circles balls in there because they just rolled everywhere. You saw a couple of them escaped. So that's a little trick for layering your embellishments, your sparkles, your shaky stuff, because you can do it upside down, but then you never can tell how well you're lining up the top card. I could use my light pad, but it's still a lot harder, I find. I prefer to do it the way I just did it. So, but there's how you use offset, and there's a fun shaker card you can make. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.